All right, so this is a short example, definitely not everything, just a few key points of what are some of the differences of the legacy platform in comparison to the new platform. So we're going to start with point number one, which is automated saved searches. So automated saved searches are basically when your leads come to your website and they browse through properties, as they register, our system will analyze what they were looking at, what types of properties they're looking at, and it will automatically save a search for them based on those types of properties. So that's kind of the automated aspect, which you've been doing manually on the legacy platform. This is now completely automated. That's first. Second is when the lead does come in, our system will actually automate a response to that lead by SMS, trying to get them to respond back. So in the legacy system, you did have the ability to automate emails, but it did not have the ability to automate SMS messages. With the new platform, you have the ability to automate sending an SMS message to them. That's number two. Number three will be your enhanced listing view. So when your leads are active, when they're looking at listings, you're going to actually see their activity here, which is going to show you activity like how many times they viewed a property, how many photos they viewed of that property, and just a much nicer layout of the actual property views. And then also anything that they favorited is going to show here, if they liked it, if they, and so on and so forth. General averages show here as well. This is kind of general average of what they're looking at, the types of properties they're looking at, and the locations they're looking at. And then also you can do a map display of where exactly they're looking at those properties. So that's just a little bit more of an enhanced view of what they've been looking at, how active they've been. All right, next up is Home Locator app. All right, so here I have the Home Locator app, and I'm actually just sharing my cell phone screen so that you can see what the app looks like. So the app, when we open it, looks like this, and then when you open that app, the leads have the ability to do a lot of things on the app. So if they're driving around and they want to see properties that are currently for sale, they can basically click this button. It'll take them to where they're located instantly, and it'll show them any properties that are for sale. Not only that, but for those boards where we have sold data, we're actually going to display sold data. We'll click up here on the filter, click on sold, and then show results. It's going to show any sold properties that have been sold in that area, and then what the sold price is along with all the pictures and everything else. Everything the lead does on this app, you can see in your CRM system, see exactly what they looked at, and so on and so forth. If a lead likes one of the properties, it's going to kind of give them an update on what's happened to that property. So it'll show them when it's for sale, rent. If it ever does get sold, it's going to show under sold and rented. And if it's taken off the market, it's going to show under off the market properties. And again, everything they do here is logged so you can see in your backend what's happening. On top of this ability, any listings that are being sent to them by email are also being sent to them as notifications to their saved search. So when their saved search is going to ring to show them there's new listings for their saved search, when they click on that saved search, it's going to show them all the properties they have in that saved search, and then which ones they've looked at are going to appear in white, and then those that they have not looked at yet are going to appear in blue. All right, so that is the Home Locator app. And the last part that we do want to mention is the AI bot. So the AI bot is a true deep learning artificial intelligence bot. So what that really means is the bot truly understands the nuance of what's being said to it so that it actually responds accordingly. So this is just a quick example of a great understanding of the bot's understanding, really. This is our automated message. It gets sent out by our system automatically. When that lead responded, they actually said, "Hi there, I was searching for a price at a townhouse on my street, just wondering what they're asking." And if you look here, this is a bot response. It said, "Got it, what's the address?" So even though the agent actually called this lead and spoke to them afterwards, this is a great example of understanding the bot understanding what's being said to it and actually responding accordingly. So that is just some of the gist. There's a lot more functionality that our new platform has, and we're really looking forward to upgrade you whenever you're ready. Thanks so much.